Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, General Technology Knowledge. Today I would like to show and share about how to use or wiring the PLC Omron CP1E with the power supply and push button, and also connect to the relay control. Yes. And in this section, I will detail about how to create the sample program that we will use the CX-Programmer version 9.7 to create the sample project and then control the relay. And I will use the power supply input 220 volt AC and output 20 volt DC connected to the push button start and stop, and I will connect to the digital input side of the PLC Omron. So here is the terminal of PLC Omron. That L1 is 220 volt and natural, and here is the COM that we can connect from the power supply power supply output minus, and for push button I will connect to the digital input number 0 and digital input number 1, and for the output I will connect to relay control. Okay, and I will connect the USB for communication between CX-Programmer to the PLC for download the project to the PLC. Okay, so let's go to test with me with the program. Yes, and for wiring there are 8 bits for output and there are 12 bits for input. Okay, so if we would like to use another input, we can connect here, and if we would like to use output, we can connect here. Okay, so this is the input side and this is the output side. So let's go to our program and then create the sample project for test. Okay, so right now I will use CX-Programmer to create the new project and then download to the PLC. So let's open. So first we need to create the new project. So file, new, example part 1, PLC 1, yes, and we need to choose the CPU type to match with the hardware. Yeah, so right now I will use CP1E, yes, the same as my hardware, and then for CP1E there are many types of CPU. So in this type I will use E20 because we use E20. Yes, here it is E20, and then click OK. And for communication we can use only USB. Yes, and this is a driver of USB, so we can command example how to wiring and testing PLC Omron model CP1E-20, right? Okay. And then we need to check the communication between PLC and our computer, right? So I will connect the USB from my PLC to my PC. So first we can go to device manager, and then I will connect. Okay, right now I already connected the USB cable from PLC to the PC, and then we can check here universal 3 bus controllers, and here is the driver of Omron. Yes, so the driver is work perfectly, and then we can go to online for check the communication. So work online, and then here is the question that the program asks us to connect with the PLC or not. Yeah, if we try to connect, we can click yes. Yes, so right now it can connect. Let's see, the PLC is running and run mode. Yes, and then we can create the sample project. Yes, so before go to create the sample project, let's see the drawing. So I will use I. Yes, I, it will start from, yes, input it will start from 0, and for the output it will start from 100. Yes, so I will put here 100. Yes, so input will start from 0 and output will start from 100. Okay, so 0.0 I will connect with the start button. 0.1 I will start select connected with the stop. Yes, so let's create the push button start. So first I will create button stop. Example, this is a follow our wiring. So it will start from 0.1, right? Example, PB stop. Yes. And for start, I will start from 0.0, right? So PB start. Okay. Actually, we can zoom. I will zoom in. Alt right, yes. We can use the Alt key and right. Yeah. Arrow key right to zoom. And then I will use one output. Yes. So output it will start from 100.0, right? So I will choose coil and start from 100.0, and I can comment. Example, relay 1. Okay. And then we can connect the run. Yes. Okay, good. And if we would like to hold the signal, yes, we can hold the signal here. So this one should be 100.0, right? Relay 1. And we can connect. Yes. And then we can save the project. Example, I will save to desktop and create a new folder. Example, part 1 Omron. So this is a part 1 wiring, right? And then we can online and then download to the PLC. So let's go to online. Before online, we can go to compile the program. So there is no error occur, and then we can online. Yes, to online, and then we can if we online like this, we can test with push button. Yes. And then I will transfer the program to the PLC. So let's go to transfer to PLC, or we can go here, transfer to PLC, and then I will transfer all, and then stop the PLC and then run the PLC. Okay, and we can go online. Yes. Okay, after that we can test together. So let's go to test with me. Yes, we can online like this, and then we can go to push the button, and then let's see the status of relay. Yes. So here is my PLC Omron that I already wiring the cable from the output to relay, and from the push button to the input of PLC, and then we can test. So this is the start button, so I will push start button. Yeah, let's see, the start relay is running, relay is turned on, and then the status on the program, yes, CX-Programmer is turned on also. So if we would like to stop, we can stop. Yeah, the condition on the CX-Programmer is stop also. We can run again. Yeah, so the relay is on, stop again, the relay is off, run again. Yes, the relay is on, so it works perfectly for this wiring. So if we would like to turn on another relay, we can wiring from the another output here. Yes, from another output here, so we can use connect to another relay. Okay, and if we would like to use another address, example the output number 2, output number 3 until output number 7, so we can write like this. Example, I will connect with 100.1. It is output number 2. Example, relay 2. Yes. Connect with another relay, so 100.2. It should be relay 2. Example, I will turn on 5 relay. Yeah. 100.3. So relay 3. Sorry, this one should be relay 3. And this one should be relay 4. And I will turn on one more relay, 100.4, right? Relay 5. Okay. and then we can compile the program, so there is no error, and then we can save. And then we can online and download to the PLC again. So we can click here, transfer to PLC, and then click OK to download and stop the CPU, and then on the CPU back, and then we can test again. Yes, so let's test with me. So let's test again. If I push button start, so let's see output 0, 1, 2, 3 and 4 is turned on, and the relay is turned on also. So this is a child example, so I connect it with only one relay. If we would like to use another relay, we can connect from the terminal number 1, number 2 and number 3, yes, to use. So if I push stop, the condition on the CX-Programmer is stop also. Start again, it start, yes. So if we have motor or some electrical devices, we can connect from the relay to use, yes. And we can also simulation, yes. So I will stop first and then simulation from the HMI. So I will offline and then close the project first. So I will simulation from the HMI. Example, go to the CX-Designer. If we install the CX1, yes, Omron CX1, we will got many software that we can use, yes. So right now I will use CX-Designer. So let's create a new project, and then I will choose the HMI. Okay, this HMI. Example, test with CP1E. Yes, and for communication we can use this one, yes. Okay, and I will create the screen one, yes. And then we can create, yes. Okay, I will open this one first, because when simulation we need to out, right? So to simulation from the HMI, we need to put the another memory, yes. Example for stop button, so I will insert stop button here. I will insert more variable. Example W0.0. It is the stuff from HMI. And for start button, I will parallel with this one. So I will use nominal open. And example W0.1. It is the start HMI. Yes. So I will connect like this. Yes, I will connect like this. Okay. So basically we can start from the HMI and stop from HMI, and we can start from the push button hardware and stop from the push button hardware also, right? So let's save, and then let's design the start stop button from the HMI. So basically we can use the push button or switch here. Example, this one should be stop. Okay, I will use 2. Maybe I will increase a little bit more for font size. Center and center, yes, okay. So this is a stop button, and then yes, we can use this color, and I will copy. This is the start color, sorry, start button. So start button, I will use this color. Yes. And for the status show here, output, right? I will use bit lamp, yes. Example, this one I used here, and the color, normal color is off is red, and when on I will show the green, yes. Okay, like this. Actually this one we can change the color, right? On off also, yes, but no need to change, we just use this step first. And I will copy with the file lamp because the output is file lamp, right? From the address 100 to 100.04. So I will copy. Okay, I will copy file lamp. Okay, like this, and I will put some description. So we can use label. Example, welcome to CX-Programmer tutorial. Okay, for label I will insert the font size to be like this. It's so big, right? So I will decrease. Okay. Then this one I can change to another color that we want. we can design the style, another style that we want, yes, from here. And we need to configure the stop, start button and lamp, right? So I will configure the stop button. For stop button from the HMI is W0.0, right? So let's go to momentary and then go to address. Here is the host that we can connect from the serial A to the HMI, sorry, to the PLC. And then I will use the work area and start from 0 and bit 0. And then click OK. And for stop button, sorry, start button, the address is W0.01, right? So I will choose momentary because we need to push, only push. And I will choose the work area also and start from word 0 bit 1, right? Okay. And for the lamp, there are 5 lamps, right? The first one is I will change color to be green color in the status one, and we will start from the CIO. It means that input and output of Omron, and then the address is 100, yes, bit 0, and this one you can choose 100 bit 1, right? This one should be 100 bit 2. This one 100 bit 3, and this one 100 bit 4, right? And then we can save the project, and then we can turn off this one first, save and turn off this one, and we can go to test, yes, to all, save, and then we can connect from the CX simulator, yes, and then please start. And we need to browse the project that we would like to simulation with this HMI, right? So I will go to desktop and then go to the folder that we already created. Yes, what is the folder? So part 1 Omron, right? And then part 1 wiring, and then please start to start the simulation. It will download to the simulation automatically, and then we can test from here. Example, I would like to start, yeah, it will start. Let's see, all lamps is turned on. I stop, it will stop, start again, it will start again. Okay, so if we have a touch screen, we can connect with the touch screen, but for this CPU it not support with the touch screen, yes, so we can simulation from this one, yes. So this is just example, the basic how to wiring the PLC Omron CP1E from the push button and from the power supply to the PLC, and then test with the CX-Programmer and CX-Designer for simulation. So thank you very much for watching my video. If everyone have any question, please kindly drop comment under my video. I will reply soon. And I would like to say I'm sorry if I have mistake in this video. And I would like to request all of you to like, share, and subscribe my video also to get more notification and more new videos that I will create step by step. So in this time, I would like to say thank you very much again and see you next videos. Bye bye.